Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your money with Qualcomm stock, detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in Qualcomm stock can be a strategic move to protect your finances. Begin by researching Qualcomm's financial health and market position. Review their quarterly and annual earnings reports to understand revenue trends. Pay attention to their recent product innovations and partnerships. Analyze Qualcomm's stock performance over the past few years for consistent growth. Next, consider the overall semiconductor industry trends. Explore how demand for 5G technology and IoT applications impact Qualcomm. Check analyst ratings and target prices for a balanced view on the stock. Once informed, determine how much of your portfolio you want to allocate to Qualcomm. Build a strategy for entry points based on price movements and market conditions. Utilize dollar cost averaging to minimize the risk when buying shares over time. Set clear investment goals to guide your decisions regarding Qualcomm stock. Monitor global economic factors that could affect tech stocks. Establish your risk tolerance to understand how much volatility you can handle. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in related sectors. Review your investments regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Finally, stay updated on Qualcomm's news and announcements for any significant changes. By following these steps, you can enhance your financial security with Qualcomm stock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.